So I'm just recording this moment. I have no idea why or what's going on. I just really got the impulse to draw this. Thing, and I'm also naked, so I'm not going to lower the camera. But I have, you can't see it. I took some photos of it, but I have a thing on there, on my forearm. But what's really strange is that I have a crease in my forearm from when I was a kid, and this pustule, for lack of a better word, pustule, looks exactly like fucking that. And the rash around it is this. And it's on my forearm. It's on my right forearm, my yang principle, my doing principle. And I just got the urge and the impulse to draw this. It's so meta. Just the whole thing is so meta. This is a metacognitive map, a metacognitive mind map. Working with this map is literally magic, like literally spellcasting, because the way you interact with it is metaphysically the exact same thing that you are doing, but represented in a 2D format. Metaphysically, as in the interconnection between your spirit and your physicality, right? And you could call the interacting with it a psychophysical connection as well, because as you psychologically make the decision to change something, you're physically changing something, and in the physical doing, when you literally write to the opposite of the state you're in, you feel your state of being shift. It's very interesting. And I need to test it on more people to see if it's actually working and it's not just me being a crazy Fruit Loop. But and so, I mean, really the thing I've been focusing on today is like I just want to get rid of this thing, this rash, and like my wrist has been hurting as well, and I think I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's a staph infection or something like that, and I know that likes to get into the tendons and other things, and I've been not feeling so good because I've not been eating very well last couple of days because I've been so I've been very that in my head. And that was a total accident that's there. When I look in the mirror, like that mirror there, that forms a halo around my head. And that was a 100% accident. And I just want to get rid of this thing. And I just have, this is a video just testing the light. So, because I'm thinking I need to make a YouTube video of this. And I'm hoping... It's a bit selfish, but my modus operandi that I'm trying to run by these days, that I'm creating for myself, is how can I be of service to myself and others. So I be service of myself, to myself, trying to get rid of this rash, getting out this stuff because it excites me and I enjoy it, and service to others by sharing it, because I think it is actually insightful and useful. And I think the metaphor of having this thing on my arm that looks exactly like that, I think I have no actual idea. I think it's a sign that I actually need to get it out there. Okie dokie. That's me. Ciao.